Rules of yoga. No. 16 yoga tips to be healthy. Regular practice of yoga will surely help you achieve success by creating healthy and strong physical and mental abilities. But for success, you need to practice yoga in a proper manner. So let's know the rules of yoga in detail. Before starting yoga. Rules of yoga to stay healthy. 01. Yoga exercises can be practiced from the age of 5 out of 6 years till the end of life. Just select a few seats as per requirement. Not all of asanas can be done at all ages. Young boys and girls should not do any seat more than twice. Boys should not practice pranayama and madra before the age of 14-15 years, and girls until men's duration is established. 02. Yoga exercises can be done at any time in the morning, evening, and before bathing or at night. But that time should not be full. Asanas can be done after half an hour, after eating a little food, but pranayama or madra should be practiced on an empty stomach. Asana is best done after breakfast. However, those who have diseases like constipation, flatulence, etc., can do certain asanas and withdrawals in bed after waking up in the morning. For those who have insomnia, good results can be obtained by doing vajrasana for a while before going to bed after meals. Apart from this, sitting in vajrasana for a while, even after eating on a full stomach, can make food digestion easier. 04. It is advisable to spend as much time in asana, madra or pranayama as possible, in one pose or process at a time. But in no case should there be more than 1 minute at a time, except in a few specific seats. Padmasana, Dhyana, Siddhasana and Vajrasana can be taken as long as desired. 05. It is not advisable to practice more than 7/8 asanas at a time. Pranayama and madra, practice as per age and need, along with asana, will give better results in a short period of time. After one asana or madra practice, one should rest in shavasana as needed. After 5-7 minutes of some exercise with bare hands, doing a sauna or madra gives results very quickly. But no yoga should be done without rest after any strenuous work or exercise. 1 day a week should be rested. 06. It is not proper to force or shake any posture or procedure during a sauna practice. Care should be taken so that there is no distortion in the face while sitting. 07. Breathing will be normal during a sauna practice, but in withdrawal or pranayama, breathing should be controlled according to rules. 08. Practicing a sauna on a blanket, pad or thin mattress is recommended. Exercising on hard ground or paved floors can cause injury at any time. 09. It is not advisable to practice yoga in a dark or closed room. Try to practice in a place where you can take a lot of oxygen from the air. 10 above 12-13 years and below 45-46 years. Age limit may be more or less according to health. Girls should not do a sauna for 5 stays in a month for normal reasons. However, dhyana, shavasana, etc. can be practiced. 11. In the case of girls, some simple asanas or pranayama can be done up to 3 months after childbearing, but withdrawal practice should not be done at all. It is advisable to gradually practice all the asanas again after 3 months of childbirth. Morning and evening walk in the open is especially beneficial during pregnancy. 12. Now clothing should be worn during asana practice. That may obstruct blood circulation. 13. It is not okay to talk or be distracted during yoga practice, because the close connection of the mind with the body is the motto of yoga exercise. Only concentration can bring desired results. 14. It is not right to expect quick results from yoga exercises. It requires faith and patience. Regular yoga practice will bring benefits. 15. If you have a tobacco habit or drug addiction, quit. 16. It is advisable to keep the mind as cheerful as possible. Don't let worry come to mind. This is known as the rules of yoga. So start yoga now. Know the rules of yoga and proceed with confidence in yourself. Success is in your hands.